Everyone, I'm Madhuri, and now in this video I'll show you how to create a Telegram bot that provides real-time weather updates. And we'll use Node.js 5 store for storing user locations and the Open Weather API for fetching the weather data. Let's dive in. And before you start coding, make sure you have a Telegram bot created using a bot further. Already we know, like and a Firebase project with 5 store setup and an open weather API key and Node.js installed in your machine. First, install required dependencies and like Node Telegram bot API Axios and Firebase admin. Now, let us see the code. And the first part of our code, this part shows uh, like we import the required modules and that is required libraries like Firebase admin allows us to interact with Firebase file store and service account. This JSON file contains credentials for Firebase authentication and Telegram bot. Telegram bot, the library Node Telegram bot API is used to create and manage the Telegram and Axios. This is used to make HTTP requests to fetch the weather data and we initialize the Firebase here. We initialize the Firebase and initializes Firebase by using the credentials from key.json. And this creates a reference to file store to store user data. And we initialize the Telegram bot here, here. And this ensures that bot listens for incoming messages continuously. And now we set up our weather API here and we go we get this from like web sources like Chrome and all from some well already defined pages like open weather my weather API open weather API like that and this part of our code this part of our code handles the start command. Whenever you give start command the bot replies with a welcome message and this part of our code handles the location messages. That means whenever the user sends the location, the bot extracts latitude and longitude, how the weather will be there throughout the day, and this URL is mainly responsible for fetching the weather data, and the bot constructs the API request URL using the latitude, longitude, and open weather API key. This request is made using this part axios dot get weather URL and this response contains weather details which are formatted into a message. The bot sends the message to the user means we and the advancement in this project is not like before. We connect our Telegram bot with a file store database. This means every time the bot gives information about our query, it stores in our Firebase database. And let us run our bot by using start command. Already I have done it. Start command. And we have to give a certain location for it. This can be done through our mobile phone. And I want to go some place. I'll give that location. I want to go to some bank and I'll give the bank location. This helps us to identify particular locations weather such that it will be more useful. I'll give this location And bot replies with a message. The weather in Bhimavaram is few clouds with a temperature of 29 degrees Celsius. And now our bot is running successfully. And as I have said that this is stored in a 5-star database. I'll show that one. See, last updated 5 3:16 p.m. March 2nd, 2025. See this. And this is the information that is stored in our 5-star database. And that's all. Thank you.